Hey up, welcome back to another mooch. I'm not in Yorkshire anymore. No, I'm in Lancashire. Whew. We are doing a mooch up Pendle Hill. Some lovely glamping pods there. Yeah, it's only a short one, this one, 4 miles. But we've got quite a steep, long ascent up Pendle Hill. It's quite windy down here now. So, hang on, let's get over that. I'm sure it's going to be a lot more windier up there. Just parked in a lovely little village called Barley. I'm just going to make our way along now. I just need to double check if I'm going the right way yet. Yeah, we're on the right path. It's starting quite late this evening. It is. Can't see. It's 20 to 4. Hopefully I'll have it done in under 3 hours. I hope so anyway. So yeah, let's crack on. We'll see in a bit. Yeah, God, I've got a map and everything and I still got lost straight away. So that's where I should have gone, straight in there. I walked straight past. I've been wandering around the building site. Hey dear. Yeah, so I couldn't come to a place like this with the history it's got and not mention the Pendle witches. So basically, there was 12, I don't know if it was just women or men and women, were accused of murder by the use of witchcraft, and 10 of them was hung for the crimes. Mental. So you can imagine all the paranormal reports and stuff that go around this place. Even the hill itself is supposed to be haunted. I'll tell you my thoughts on that in a minute. That hill looks so steep. I'm just pleased it's not raining and it's not cold either. It's so windy here. But it is beautiful. Oh, blowing already. Yeah, so I thought I'd give you my thoughts on the paranormal. Fascinated by it, I love it. I used to be a big believer in everything I watched on telly and on YouTube, until I came across the YouTube channel maybe 2 years ago, a bit longer maybe, called Beardo Gets Scared, and he debunks the paranormal. He's a believer or a skeptic, but he debunks basically all the fake crap you see. And yeah, since I've been starting watching him, I'm now very much skeptical. There's another channel I watch actually, Real Evidence. I watch both them two every week without fail. Great channels. Oh, stuff going. It's hot now as well. Actually, yeah, Real Evidence has done two good debunks on the Pendle area, because there's a so-called paranormal investigator or investigation team that bought a farmhouse round here, and that you can pay to go in and investigate and stuff like that, and he's done two really good debunks on that. Jeez. Yeah, so I was proper gullible. I thought everything I watched was real, but it's not. Yeah, so if you're interested in the paranormal, stuff like that, give them a watch, you'll be surprised. And they do their own investigations as well, because you'll know it's a real investigation, because nothing happens. Not like these other channels where there's ghosts every 2 seconds. I can't walk and talk. Jesus. Man, this is tough. The views are already spectacular. I think it's going to be amazing up there if it stays clear. Oh dear. Apparently you can see the Yorkshire Three Peaks. You can see Blackpool Tower. Oh God. Look at this. Wow. That's the route down. Oh, I've got jelly legs already. God. Yeah. Keep your eyes peeled. Look out for ghostly apparitions. Listen out for disembodied voices. You never know. Might catch some ghosties. Oh God. I don't know what I'd do if I saw something. I think I'd be too knackered to do anything, to be honest. Jesus. Amazing. Still on these steps. It's just stunning out here. There is quite a few longer circular routes around here. But I don't have a right lot of time, really, and I wanted to get out and do a walk, so I just picked this 4-mile one. I don't know if you can see, there's a few reservoirs around here, and that you walk past them. So it'd be nice, but that'll be for another day. Oh, I am noticing that every walk is getting that little bit easier now. The waistline shrunk, but that's the hardest thing to shift, in it, the belly. But we're heading in the right direction. Oh dear. It's supposed to be a really busy place out here, but there's 2 people right ahead of me. That's all I've seen so far. Oh God, my legs are burning. I think we're nearly there. Oh, so we've come up. It's got there to go. That's just the top there. Views are incredible. I've enjoyed this. Long steep climb, brilliant. I've got the drone with me. I'd love to get some drone shots, but it's nice like this now, but there's proper strong gusts coming in all the time. So I think it'd be best not to. I don't want to go looking for that. We're just about here. Oh yeah, bloody hell. God. I'm going down there. As it made by the wind gusts. Bloody hell. Jesus. Mike's doing his job. amazing. Man, it's crazy windy up here. Wow. Summit up there. Oh, I've got tears streaming down my face. Holy crap. Jesus Christ. That was mental. I think that's probably the strongest wind I've ever felt in my life. That was incredible. Looking, that's just calm and lovely. So we're just heading back down now. It's a short, sweet walk. Two young lads up there messing about in wind right near edge. I couldn't watch, I had to bloody walk away, it was horrible. I don't know if you can see it there. I've just taken a little video on my phone so I could zoom in. I think that is the farmhouse that's supposed to be haunted, where you can pay and go in and investigate in there. But it's cool, like, I mean, I think it's 400-year-old. So that's amazing in itself. But to say it's haunted, I don't think so. It was still quite warm up there. My hands got a bit cold, but yeah, it was fine. Quite warm. It's so warm down here now. Stunning. I can see them two lads up there still, right on the edge. Oh dear. Second time I went wrong way. It's only an easy circular. Ended up going through their garden, and some woman come out. It's that way. Cheers. Oh my god. Stop route down there. It was really calm, and now we're down here again. It's blowing a gale. Brilliant. Oh, crap. Sheep everywhere. I think I can still hear them two lads. Or is it one of the Pendle witches screeching? And there we go, back to where we started. Nice short and sweet walk. It's under 2 hours it took. Lovely. As I say every time, I loved it. It was fantastic. I loved every step of it. Fascinating place. Lovely place. And I'll definitely come back and do a longer walk. But yeah, for now that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. I did, as always. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.